Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name Maslaha. I am here to explain noun and pronoun. Definition. Pronoun are words that are used to replace noun in English, and pronoun are divided into several types according to their function. Before meaning the as or pronoun in English sentence, you must memorize the meaning of the pronoun below. Definisi pronoun. Kata ganti merupakan kata yang digunakan untuk menggantikan kata benda, noun dalam bahasa Inggris, dan pronoun terbagi menjadi beberapa macam sesuai dengan fungsinya. Arti kata dari subjek pronoun, kata ganti orang atau benda pada posisi subjek. Meaning of subject pronoun. Subject pronoun I, you, we, they, she, he, it. Meaning of object pronoun adalah kata ganti orang atau benda pada posisi objek. Me, you, us, them, here, him, it. Sedangkan meaning of possessive adjective my, your, or, their, here, his, it. Meaning. Arti kata possessive noun, kata ganti kepemilikan my, your, or, their, here, his, it is. Possessive noun mean, your, or, their, here, his, it is. Meaning of reflexive pronoun, explaining something for oneself. Jadi kata ganti reflexive pronoun menjelaskan sesuatu untuk diri sendiri. Myself, yourself, ourselves, themselves, herself, himself, it is self. Fungsi dari pronoun untuk menggantikan atau benda. Posisi subjek pronoun untuk mengganti orang atau benda pada posisi objek pronoun. To show property and object possessive adjective. Suatu benda possessive adjective sebagai kata ganti kepemilikannya pronoun. To explain something that is done for itself, reflexive pronoun. For more detail below is an explanation of each and a list pronoun for the function of the pronoun above subject pronoun. To replace the person thing it is subject position, you can ask the pronoun below. Kata ganti orang I, you, we, they, she, he. Kata ganti bendanya it. Contoh. Subjek I, you, we, they, she, he, it. Kalimatnya I know Emily, you know Emily, we know Emily, they know Emily, she know Emily, he know Emily, it is nice. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are not used to replace noun but to modify or give a simple explanation of the property and object. Possessive adjectives are used in the following pattern. Possessive adjective plus a noun kata benda. To show the property and object, you can the word below. Subject I, you, we, they, she, he, it. Possessive adjectivenya my, your, or, their, here, his, it is. Possessive adjective plus noun. My book, your book, our book, their book, her book, his book, it is university. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun are used as possessive pronoun. In it use, possessive pronoun cannot be followed by a noun, the noun being replaced in from the context the sentence. You can see list of possessive pronoun below. Subject I, you, we, they, she, he, it. Possessive adjectivenya my, your, our, their, here, his, it is. Possessive pronoun mean, your, our, their, here, his, is. Contoh. It's my money, it is your money, it is our money, it is their money, it is his money, it is her money, it is mine, it is your, it is our, it is their, it is here. Example tenses. Example tension subject pronoun. Example subject pronoun. I love you, you love me. I love you, you love me. He love me, she love me. She love you, they love us. Object pronoun. You met me, he met her, they met him, she met them, I met you. Possessive adjective. It is my head, it is your head, it is her head, those are their head, it is head. Possessive pronoun. This apple in mine. These apple are there. This apple is there. This apple is this. Their apple are our. Reflexive pronoun. I pay for myself. They pay for themselves. He pay for himself. We pay for ourselves. She pay for herself. Definition of noun. Nouns are words used to name or refer to people, things, places, and ideas. In other words, refer to bad physical object. An abstract concept noun can be exemplified by words like the one below. Benda fisiknya table, house, pond, floor, water. With konsep abstraknya theme, idea, opinion, again difficult. Nah, dari contoh di atas dapat dilihat bahwa noun tidak hanya merujuk benda fisik tetapi juga konsep abstraknya. Kemudian type and example noun. Type and example noun based on their shape noun are divided into two, namely concrete noun. Concrete noun are nouns that can be observed by the first sense, so that is concrete or refer to an object directly and mentioned above. Example: book, eraser, battle, flower, care, classroom, star, moon, flower. Konkret noun adalah noun yang dapat diamati oleh panca indera sehingga sifatnya konkret atau merujuk pada suatu benda secara langsung seperti disinggung di muka. Contohnya itu tadi, a book, eraser, bottle, flower, care, classroom, star, moon, fire, wind. Kemudian abstract noun-nya. Abstract noun are noun that are not observed by the five sense. In other words, this noun is abstract or has a material concept. None of these types are usually marked with the suffix "ech", "ence", "any", "eon", "sion", "tune", "dom", "hot", "is", "ism", "man", "nen", "ship", "each", "day". Example: happiness, emergency, flash, short, freedom, communication, motivation, affection, ideal, love, spirit, belief, team, ag. Kemudian yang B, countable noun. Countable noun based on whether or not is calculated, nothing becomes namely incountable noun. Countable noun adalah noun yang dapat dihitung. Ciri-ciri dari noun ini adalah can be followed by a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Can be followed by article and in the singular. Can be ended the suffix s and as in the plural. Example: house, a house, on house, their house, dictionary, a dictionary, on dictionary, for dictionary. Uncountable noun-nya adalah noun yang tidak dapat dihitung. Adapun ciri-cirinya cannot be followed by a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Cannot followed by article and non-singular form. Cannot be ended s and es, non-plural. Mixtion. Jadi uncountable noun sebenarnya mungkin untuk dihitung, namun yang dihitung bukanlah zat atau substansinya, melainkan takaran atau wadahnya. Karena noun ini juga disebut mass noun. Contoh: make a glass of milk, 2 glasses of milk. Cheese, a block of cheeses, 2 block of cheeses. Yang ketiga itu mixed noun. Mixed noun are noun that can be countable and uncountable depending on the condition or context which they are used. Example: I saw hair on the floor. Pada kalimat ini, hair dapat dihitung ditandai dengan artikel a di depannya. She clothed her hair. Hair ketika sudah di kepala tidak dapat dihitung karena tidak lazim untuk dihitung. Common and proper noun. The definition of noun into common and proper noun refer to whether a noun is a name, specific, or not general. 1. Common noun. Common noun are not that refer to things that are still common, so that the wording does not as capital letter unless in star, sentence, or title. Example: person, city. Example: person, city, country, mount, restaurant, park, have, pond. Yang kedua, proper noun. Proper noun are hyponym of common nouns, so that refer is more specific. The specific common noun. Jenis noun ini bisa dikenali dalam bentuk nama, suatu hal, orang, benda, tempat, dan sebagainya. Dan pada umumnya penulisan mengharuskan huruf kapital, kecuali huruf kecil telah ditempatkan sebagai bagian dari nama tersebut. Yang D, conclative noun. Conclative are noun that indicate the extent of a combination, be it people, place, or this example, a pair of sandal, sepasang sandal, two pair of sandal, dua pasang sandal. Noun function. Broadly speaking, the function of noun in English are as follow. Jadi secara garis besar fungsi noun dalam bahasa Inggris adalah sebagai berikut. Subject, life is wonderful. Object, the author has published his new book. Yang ketiga, object of proposition, object proposisi. We are going to fly to Jakarta tomorrow. Subject complete, he is John. Object complete, penjelasan objek. Mr. Andy Mr. Smith named their baby Peter. Modifier of noun phrases, penjelasan noun phrases. What were head of noun phrases inti noun phrases in English. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.